Hello everyone, my name is Petro and in this video I'm going to be showing you an engraving pen from CRELANDO. I'm sorry if I don't prefer the brand name correctly. I bought this specific one from Lidl. I paid £3.99 for it, but you should be able to buy it from other online retailers such as eBay or Amazon. But of course Lidl will have the advantage of selling this cheaper comparing to any other retailer out there. So what I'm going to do first is show you the information on the packaging and of course show you how the product works. So I will show you, I'm going to use a piece of wood which you're going to see a bit later on the video. So let's get started. So this is the packaging the actual product comes with. This specific one comes with 3 years warranty. This is what the product looks like and you can use it to engrave according to the guidance on metal, leather, wood and glass. Some information at the bottom. So this is the information at the front. Let's zoom in on the back. Also you get those accessories which actually will guide you to get the letters you want or the shape, which we are going to see in a second. Now I'm just going to zoom in the information on the back of the packaging. And of course you can pause at any point if you would like to read the information on the back. And pretty much that's the information on the packaging. I believe this one comes with a battery included, as indicated here. So the way to open this one is you'll need to use a scissor or a knife. In my case, I'm going to use a scissor. It's safer in that way. So what I'm going to do is cut around it. And that should be it. So let's see. There's one more small part to cut. Safely get everything out. So what you'll find inside is the actual engraving pen. The tip already installed is used for metal, leather and wood, and the other tip is only for glass. So you need to make sure that they are different. But let me see if. So the one on the left is for metal, leather and wood, and the one on the right is only for glass. So the difference is this: the one on the right for glass only, it's slightly more pointy, slightly more pointer than the one on the left. But make sure you remember that in case you lose this one or you throw it and you don't know which one is for the glass and which one is for the rest of the materials. Now you get 2 batteries with it, as we can see from here. Now those are AAA, if I'm not wrong. If I'm not wrong, they are AAA or AA. So let me just get this. And also here you get some guidance patterns. So there's some sort of tape keeping it in place. So this is the packaging the paper packaging that keeps everything else in place. So you get an owner's guide or an instructions manual with a barcode at the top right, which you can scan to get the online PDF format if you wish. And of course this will explain to you how to use the tool safely, of course. That's it. And here you get the engraving patterns. So if you would like to make an A, you'd stick, for example, the A on the wood, or whichever surface you want. So this is the letters you get, and this pattern here with the small hearts, and the other one some different shapes, numbers from 1 to 9, and the number 0, and of course some circle patterns as well. Now if I had to assume this would be, you should be able to get it out, and it has like a sticky surface. So if I were to get this out, and you should be able to put it back again, so this should be reusable. As I pulled one out, so what I'm going to do is just put it on the wood itself. Let's say on the A there. Now let me just show you this one. So you only get a button, one button there, and the way to open this one is just a twist, and then we need to put the batteries in. Now I'm not going to use the ones that the product came with. I'm going to use the two from Tronic, which are rechargeable batteries. Now if I had to assume, I believe the batteries would go that way inside, but we should be able to figure that out in a second. And then to close it, you do the clockwise movement. No, I'm sorry, you don't do the clockwise, you do the anti-clockwise movement and clockwise to unlock it. Now if we wanted to get this out, how would you get it if you wanted to swap, just in case? So let's just, so the way to get this out is you would pull it out from the looks of it, but again, of course, my hands are a little bit slippery at the moment, and I'm not able to get it out. But let me just try to put some force on it. And yeah, it slowly starts to moving out. So what you need to do is use a towel or use some fabric just to pull it off. Because if you try it with your hands and your hands are slippery, you wouldn't be able to get it out. Now, if I were to press the button, since we put in the batteries, we installed the batteries, it should actually start working, and you should be able to hear the noise. So it has a high pitched noise. Now, the way to use this one, again, I'm doing this for the first time, I haven't done this before. I assume you would hold it like that, and then of course you would try to engrave the area of the A. So let's just do that, and most likely I'm going to make a small mess here, but let's see how that works out. Most likely that will take slightly longer, but let's see what this actually has done. So let me just take the sticker off. In that way it should be easier for us to identify the work. So what I'm going to do is put the sticker back again, because these are reusable. And there you are. That's the result. Of course, you can get it to look better with spending some more time and being slightly more precise. I did this all very quickly, but I'm definitely pleased with it. It looks nice, and of course you can play around with it. You can do a lot of stuff. Oh, this is just an example. For £4, it definitely does a good job. And that's it pretty much, guys. So this is the engraving pen from CRELANDO. Again, if I prefer that brand name correctly. Very simple tool. It's made out of plastic, so I wouldn't say it's high quality, but I wouldn't say it's a bad quality either, so it's somewhere in between. And that's it, pretty much, guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching the video. Do press the like button if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel for more content, and until next time, stay safe and take care.